Well, Merry Christmas from Big T. I am here at my home, and I just got a couple of things I want to show you. 5 tips to keep your kids alive and out of trouble with smart parenting. First one I want to talk about is knowing when your kids get home. And if you've got one of these, that's a doorbell cam. When the kids walk by, I get a notification that the kids are home, which is great. Now, maybe you don't have a doorbell. Maybe the kids don't come in your front door. No problem. Got a solution for that as well. We have a security sensor on that door. Well, guess what that does? When that door gets opened, that security sensor tells my camera to record. So I know when those kids are home and when they come in the door.
Careful. Hey, fellas. Hey, will you guys take the doggy door?
Oh, and by the way, our cameras have two-way voice, so I can talk to my kids at any time, yell at them through the camera if they need some discipline and I don't happen to be there. So I can hear, see what they're doing, and tell them to knock it off. Here's another thing, and here's the reason why I can come up with these things, because these are things that I used to get away with when I was a kid that my kids can't. I don't know, you probably didn't do this, but you ever maybe try to sneak liquor out of the folks' liquor cabinet? Like right here? Uh-oh. You hear that? Guess where that's coming from? Oh, I got one of them sensors right up here too. So if you want to put it in your liquor cabinet or your gun safe, or maybe just your gun cabinet or a room that you don't want the kids to get into, just put one of them sensors on there. Not only does it beep, but I can set it up to send me a recording or an email when that sensor gets tripped. Booby trap in your home. A couple other ways you can do that. I don't know if your kids are teenage kids. Maybe they come home after curfew, whatever, however that works. Well, when the alarm system is armed, they have to disarm it when they come in. If the alarm system is not armed, that door that they come in gives me a timestamp as to when they made it home. So there's no break in curfew in my house. Now, maybe you were like me and one of those that had the guts to sneak out at night. Well, one of those sensors on the window in their room won't let them sneak out either, because that will notify me when that door opens, when that window opens, I get a notification. Maybe it's something simple as they're playing their video games in their room or down in the basement or wherever it is. Well, you know what else you can do? See that smart socket? You can plug the TV into one of those smart sockets, and then I can control it from my phone anywhere. Shut the TV off on them in the middle of a game. They won't be happy. They probably won't do it again. So anyway, so that's just a couple of things, 5 tips of how the new age of smart home parenting works in the 21st century. So if you want some more information on how I can put all this together for you, don't hesitate to get in contact with me. You can give me a call, send me a message, send me a Facebook message, whatever. Or you can click on some of the information that's up in the texting up here. There's a couple of links that you can go on to get some more information. But with that, I'm Big T. Have a Merry Christmas. Signing off. Bye-bye.